Why do fireworks make different colours when they explode? Different fireworks contain different compounds, and these compounds are made of elements. The elements can be found on the good old periodic table. Now, when these elements undergo a chemical reaction, they give off different colours, and that's what you're seeing in the firework explosion. You can also see this during a simple flame test, so take a look at what colours different elements give off. Potassium gives a lilac flame. Sodium gives an orange flame. Lithium gives a crimson red flame. Copper gives a green flame. So now we know how to get different colours for fireworks, but how do we get the extra effects, such as bright white flares or shimmering sparkles? Well, for that, we need two more elements. The bright white flares are made using magnesium, just like the piece you see here being ignited in the Bunsen flame. Any sparkles you see, like in sparklers, are made by using iron in the form of iron filings. So now you know why fireworks explode in different colours and how we get some of the extra special effects.